Making breakfast this morning. Already made my coffee, and in the pan here I've got a pork loin going. I'm gonna have a pork loin for breakfast, and then some cut up veggies. Got some bell peppers there, some Anaheim peppers, and some onions, and I'll just kind of throw those on and grill them. Everything. I had a great sleep last night. Couldn't have been better. I think it got down to about 45 at night. I was plenty warm, plenty cold. Actually, it was just right. Kicked off the blankets half of the time. Still right next to the creek here. There's Cheyenne. And there's where I'm sitting this morning eating my breakfast. And the creek's right there. Absolutely beautiful today.